breakfast and we निकलने वाले हैं OOTD It is actually 1:10 right now and यहाँ से बस लेके जाने वाला है and then वहाँ से आगे ट्रेन से Brighton. So we'll reach there on time. I feel like spontaneous plans turn out the best. We've reached the station. अभी फटाफट जाके tickets निकालेंगे. So today we are traveling from the London Bridge station, which is beautiful AF. Exactly शाड़ के बाजू में है, नीचे I mean. Just in case you guys want to go to Brighton, the ticket was for £13. Return ticket off-peak day return with group discount. So boarded the train and 1 घंटे का जर्नी है. बहुत से अलग अलग जगह पे बैठे because तीनों को विंडो चाहिए था. So here there's Sally and here is this Sadu guy. Only chicky. Stop copying my content.
What? What your content? That's my chicky. Hey, rabdi lassi.
Finally! And we have reached finally after an hour. We've been planning to go to Brighton from such a long time and कभी भी नहीं हो रहा था. So the day का itinerary is we're gonna go to the beach obviously, then we're gonna go to the Palace Pier and the Royal Pavilion and maybe visit some street markets अगर time बचता है तो. So yeah. This is the Royal Pavilion, y'all. It kinda looks like India.
अंदर भी जा सकते हैं क्या?
Ticket है
कितना?
£12. These Belgian fries are so good.
I'm the one who suggested.
Thanks to your mukbang addiction.
Oat milk and all, oat milk.
We eat French fries and then we drink oat milk. Wow, it is so beautiful, yaar. असली मजा है ये.
You guys guys playing guitar, silver right?
We've now come to the Brighton Pier. It has like these cute shops and like I think there are rides inside. Rides पे तो पता नहीं. मैं तो नहीं बैठने वाली हूँ. अब फटती है rides पे. Are you gonna sit on the rides? Thinking. Which one? Sit on that one.
That one, yeah. Let's see.
मेरी तो बहुत फटती है but अगर कुछ अच्छी लिंबू टिम्बू राइड देखी तो probably मैं बैठ जाऊँगी.
पैसारखी वाटते.
काय?
असं हे.
देखना नहीं है क्या तेरे को?
क्या है ये?
इसमें से आएगा क्या?
नहीं आएगा. कैसे? क्या क्या?
कुछ भी नहीं.
अरे
है ही
यार
नहीं
तू
कुछ. ओह.
क्या दिखता है वो? तो
Let's try some sunglasses.
दिस इज नाइस बट थोड़ा टेढ़ा है वो. और वो मेहुना वाला है.
क्या मैं?
स्पिड डिफेंस. मैडी वो पहनता है उसमें. मैडी नाम रहता है ना उसका. पर्सी वो पर्सी पहनता है. दबंग.
Not good.
वो अरे वो तू पीछे जा और वो पीछे कर. वो इतनी भी मत जा. जस्ट टेक दैट लेबल बीट. keep it behind, yeah.
How is this?
It's good.
यार एक भी fancy cream नहीं है, मुझे है पर basic cream के लिए नहीं
6 years old. 6 YONB.
What a beautiful place! तू बसणार आहे राइड्स वर?
I don't know. देखना पड़ेगा. नहीं लगता.
What a place! What a beautiful place! I'm not a beach person, but I still love beaches. What are you, beach person or a mountain person?
I am a beach person, which is why you are my friend.
I'm a mountain person.
See, I was a beach person before. But then I went to Manali.
I'm a full-on mountain person.
But beaches are nice as well, so it's
Yeah.
very.
Siley is gonna go on that roller coaster. Oh my god. Siley. My goodness. The sun is looking so nice. It's falling down. ना देखो बदतमीज हो गया. Hi hi. Where's Siley? Done with all the masti on the pier. Now we are gonna go and chill on the beach and watch the sun set. बीच पे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क एंड ऑल ये सब आज तक बस मूवीज़ में देखा था एंड रियल में आके ऐसे लग रहा है कोई तो हॉलीवुड मूवी में आके आई मीन हॉलीवुड मूवी के सेट पे आके रुके है. बहुत प्यारा है यार, बहुत प्यारा है ब्राइटन. वेरी 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 अब तक का मेरा सबसे फेवरेट प्लेस है ये. कैट हॉल.
आता कुठला मूवी बघितला आपण थर्ड पार्ट आला त्याचा
किसिंग बूथ.
किसिंग
या सेम किसिंग बूथ का सेट लग रहा है ऐसे. बॉय ब्राइटन पियर हैट्स.
ओहो, मिस ऑक्सफोर्ड.
Wow, this is tricky.
A stick of rock, please.
बर्फाचा गोळा काला खट्टा.
It's actually काला खट्टा.
काला खट्टा हा.
Cheers.
It is so peaceful near the sea. This is a much needed break from the hectic week that all three of us have had since last 2 weeks, I guess. Since the last 2 weeks, all the three of us have been working so hard. So it was a much needed break, y'all. And it is so peaceful. I'm so thankful for this life.
I'm thankful as well.
Look at the moon, guys. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Let's just say you're only. So we are gonna go to Zizzy
Chalo.
to have pizza, pasta, and whatever.
Are you right?
Yeah.
Table for 3?
There's nothing available, fully booked all evening, my friend.
Oh, okay, no worries.
What?
Nothing available, fully booked.
Okay, we are not going to Zizzy. It's fully booked and क्या काई का fully booked है तो बाहर तो पूरा खाली पड़ा है. Now
Now what?
ना बाहरी ये अच्छा है ना बाहरी मेन्यू लगता है. ताकी मतलब स्वतःची लायकी बघून निघून जायचं. देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे
हो न जाए
तारे जमीन पर.
You want to go upstairs already?
Yeah. Ups. What's inside? And what's upstairs?
Let's go check out.
This is a cute space.
Nice place.
Is
Check
it?
out upstairs and yeah.
I like the space. It's very cute.
Thank you.
नहीं ऊपर भी अच्छा है. We can sit there. No, there. Here. Let's decide. Where are you going? Let's decide and then Nichu जाके will order and we'll pee.
मेरी मजाक नहीं उड़ानी ये चीज पे.
Where's the toilet?
Stay safe 2020. Dips.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. The food here is so amazing. I feel like this is the best part about small cafes and small businesses की मतलब इकोनॉमिकल होता है और फूड क्वालिटी बहुत बढ़िया होता है.
रेजिन्स
Not sponsored but if you ever visit Brighton, अगर आपको पिज़्ज़ा इटालियन खाने का मन कर रहा है तो visit this place.
वहाँ पंचरी हो.
Wow, Pensurio. I don't know if we are pronouncing it correctly. क्योंकि food is cheap and delicious and plus they do like 20% student discount and plus these pizzas 9 inches are like for £5 only. So it's very economical. We are now heading back home. Yeah. So the platform isn't announced yet. We are waiting for it outside. Then we'll leave at 9:12. Probably घर पे 10 बजे 10:30 तक पहुंच जाएंगे. So that was it for today's video. We had so much fun. I hope you guys had as much fun watching the vlog. And if you like the video, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Press the bell icon to stay updated for future videos. And thank you for all the love, support. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Wait. Also do subscribe, like and share to my vlogs and my YouTube channel. That's it.
Bye.